watch you move. Yeah, I bet you think this song is about you, don't you? I bet you think this song is
Ness on the beat.
What the fuck I'm supposed to say? What the fuck I'm supposed to say? Hey. What the fuck I'm supposed to say? Police pull me over, they ain't got nothing to say. I told them I got tense because I'm.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And today you're going to see how I achieve this flawless, all pink, everything drugstore makeup tutorial. So if you like what you see, keep on watching.
Even though you're on the road, on and off and I am gone. I just want to keep you on. I'm coming back.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip riding with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Oh, it's just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me.
Started, but I'm using like a concealer, a shade darker than me. It probably doesn't look like that on camera, but this is gonna cover dark circles, hyperpigmentation, stuff like that. And I would always try to use the orange concealer to cover darkness, and I felt like it would never do nothing for me. But when I did take makeup classes with a celebrity makeup artist, Frederick Sanders, shout out to him, he had told us that if you use like a foundation or a concealer a shade darker than you, it will like blank out your darkness completely. And y'all, that shit changed my life. Like, you have to try it, I swear. And this isn't concealer, I said it wrong. This is a Black Opal foundation sticks, but they're like melted down. But
I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for too, baby. Whoa.
now I'm gonna go in with my favorite drugstore concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me in 334. Is it upside down? Oh no, it wasn't. I usually use 335 Classic Tan, but they did not have it, and all I seen was 334, and I was like, 334? I've never seen that before. This is in the shade Warm Sun though, and I mean, it's just a shade below me. It's like, it still matches basically, and I can make it work. And I am going to use this Ultimate Blending brush by e.l.f. I love this brush so much. I usually I'm like a beauty blender type of girl, and I always blend out all my concealers, foundations with beauty blenders. But since I came across this brush, y'all, it changed my life. So it was only like $3-4.
To it now, let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. lit for this shit right now. I'm too busy for this shit right now. Hey, don't wanna talk about this shit right now. Hey, I'ma wait and let you simmer down. Hey, you wasn't with it, but you with it now. Don't tell them that you fucking with it, tell them now. Please don't. It's still on the way. Fucking check me up. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey.
I'm gonna mix this Pure Mineral concealer in the shade medium and my LA Pro Girl concealer in Cool Tan for my under eye conceal highlight. I don't like my highlight like too bright, so that's why I'm mixing these two, and yeah, you'll see.
Yeah, that shit attract. Fucking loving how that gold sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain that's on your neck. I love the way you dress. Got a nigga so impressed. Come out to the west. You say that's a bet. Wish I had a jet. Get you here faster. Been on one before. Must be fucking with a rapper. I knew you was with it when you drove out to Atlanta. I knew you was different when you spoke to me, your grammar. Eloquent in manner. Yeah, that shit attractive. And you nasty. Told me come break your back in. What's poppin' later? We got action. No distraction. Know a place that we could crash in. Know a place that we could crash in. Know a place, honey, what you asking? Sticky slow like molasses. Anything you want, you can have it. Honey, you a bad.
Favorite bronzer and contour palette ever. This Black Radiance. Why? Oh my god, I cannot talk, bruh. This is so irritating. It's True Complexion Black Radiance contour palette in light to medium. I'm just gonna bronze and contour with this.
They don't know what I know. They don't see what I see. You know bitches gon' hate on you constantly. Say the things you bought, you probably got from me. That's nonsense, we don't listen to nonsense. Get it on her own, no, she don't need a sponsor. Yeah, mama, get your bread, mama. Look so innocent, but she a head monster. She could get whoever swag, gotta lay it proper. But you could still call me Young Papa. Take trips with me, nothing's what it's gonna cost you. Next time we hit New York, we need a loft, yeah.
Gonna put on some blush, just for the sake of this all pink video. This is a Color Meets blush. I think this is in the shade Mauve. I don't even know how this is about to end up. I don't want to do this. But I'm like, it can't hurt, right?
Then that ass so handful of your hair I put.
And this blush has like little shimmers in it. Let me see if y'all can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's all I'm using. Sorry, like I'm not a blush girl, so on my inner corner with a little shimmer shade from this palette. It's this one, the lightest pink, but it's like a shimmer. Let me see how these shimmer pay off. So
Pull it when I break you off. Get it however you want, Chuck. Look at you, baby, you daughter. Don't be modest. You get off.
right now, I'm just gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes with this Megawear Wet n Wild mascara. I like using this for my bottom lashes because the wand is so small and precise.
Oh, Liz, tell me what you asking. Know a place that we could crash in. Know a place, honey, what you asking?
I don't know if this counts as a drugstore, but this Carly Bible palette that I always use to highlight. They have like a really pretty shimmery pink in here, but it's super, super pale. And I don't think I can use it on my skin tone. Let me see. Oh wait, hold on. I can use this in moderation, like a little bit. So I'm gonna mix it with like the rose goldish highlight.
Slow like molasses. Anything you want, you can have it. Honey, you a bad bitch.
Pale pink highlight and go ahead and put that under my brow bone. Y'all, this is so popping right now. I line my lips with this Wet n Wild lip pencil in the shade Brandywine. NYX lipstick in Sweet Pink. I'm not gonna put this all over my lips. I'm gonna kind of put it like right below the lip liner. Not feeling that NYX pink, and my lips are still kind of stained, but I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Jumbo Glossy Stick, and this is in the shade In the Nude.